Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. I purchased the Marc Jacob Tote canvas bag. I've been eyeing this one up for a couple years and I just couldn't pick the color, the size that I wanted, and just humming and hawing over kind of which fabric, if I was just gonna get the canvas or the leather, or yeah, so it took me a while, but I finally picked one out. I needed to get another black bag. The last time I had a black bag, it was probably my Kate Spade. I will show you one like this, just a cross body leather Kate Spade, but this one is very well loved. It is older, it is coming apart, so I figured I would go with the black. And choosing the size, they have the large tote, medium tote, small, and crossbody. The crossbody, it was between the crossbody and the small. I just wanted something more compact and casual, but talking to my best friend, which I'd bought her the small for her birthday last year, she said it is the perfect size. So I was like, I think I'm going to do that because you want to have enough room to store some things, but I don't want something overly bulky, especially for a crossbody. I just wanted something a little bit more fitted and formed. So I went with the small. So we are going to unbox that today and I will show you guys what it looks like and what we can fit inside. And yeah, so if you are interested in seeing the Marc Jacobs canvas tote small bag unboxing, then just keep watching. All right, so the inside of the box is this beautiful bright yellow Marc Jacobs. You'll have your receipt to come with it. And then let's get into opening this. So I wanted something a little bit more casual. That's why I went with the canvas instead of the leather. I've been using my Louis Vuitton crossbody for the past few years and I love that one, and it is the perfect size. It's just a little tight with the wallet, purse, or wallet, keys, phone, and any kind of accessories you want to bring, but I do love that it's just kind of a little bit smaller. Right, so it's all wrapped up like that. How cute. So it does have that similar shape to the Kate Spade, which I love. I feel like this is was first kind of seen with the Celine bag back in the day. It was that kind of shape where it kind of comes out like this. So it's got that similar shape to it. And yeah, we're gonna have to take all of this off now. Okay, we're gonna take this stuff off. Everything is wrapped up so well on this bag. All of the zippers and metal, the hardware on here is wrapped up really, really nicely. So I really take a lot of pride in the customer care of their purse. And then inside it is more of a shinier lining. So it's not the canvas, which is nice. That'll be easy to wipe out if you get any kind of like spillage of makeup or dust and all of that. You have the Marc Jacobs lining inside that says Marc Jacobs along the seam. That looks really cool. And then, is there any pockets in here? So there's no extra pockets. That's all right, because it's just a bag I feel like you can just fill in whatever with. The hardware feels really good. Looks really kind of industrial looking. Like, I like that it's not super dainty. That's really pretty. It's really cool, not pretty. And then the strap, which is adjustable. The large strap makes it look a lot more casual, sporty, but then the shape's kind of more of a classic kind of chic shape to it, so you can dress it up as well. Just gonna clip this on the inside rings. So you could definitely just use this as a tote without the strap to just carry with your hand. That would be cool too. So you have the little customer care card inside, the purse care card inside. It says the natural canvas material on your bag is meant to break in and wear with use. Any time elapsed variant should not be viewed as a defect, but rather the beauty of a customized product. Avoid repeated contact with other dyed material and avoid overexposure to heat and direct light, as color fading will occur. So definitely on the dark ones you might notice some color fading if it's getting too much sunlight. So the body is 100% cotton trim, is polyurethane, 54% polyurethane, 46% terylane. And yeah, also let's see what this one says. This Marc Jacob product was crafted using unique materials. We recommend this product be handled with special care to make sure your bag or small leather good remains beautiful for as long as possible. We recommend, when not in use, stuff and store this accessory. Avoid contact with any water or oily substance. We do not recommend the use of cleaning products on your handbag. Please avoid ink, markers, oil stains, and permanent dyes, as they are not. I'm going to show you what I would put in my purse. Now that I have a little bit more room, I can add a few more things. So I have my little mini pochette that I use as my wallet. And then I would definitely bring around the perpetual day planner. I love writing things down opposed to using my phone for notes, or just if you need to jot down anything. It's nice to have that around, especially when you're out and about and you kind of have a thought about something, just so you won't forget it. And put the phone in the purse, keys, got the nice lip balm and the Lovely Body. I have Stockholm, the Flesh Balm from Merit, just a mini one. It's great for just adding a little bit more throughout the day on the cheeks or the lips. Definitely throw in some gum, as well as a fragrance, but I'd be careful with fragrances. Sometimes they will leak, so I don't know 100% if I'd carry that around in there, but yeah. And then you could just zip this up. And then that fits in it perfectly. All right, this is how it looks on. It is the perfect size. It doesn't feel too bulky. I think going bigger would have felt a little bit bulkier, and then smaller would have just kind of been the same kind of thing I had with my other purse. So this is, yeah, the perfect size. Looks really cute and casual and easy just to throw on with any sort of outfit, and you cannot go wrong with black, but they do have a bunch of other really nice colors too. Just to note, I do see that this will pick up fuzz and lint. I can see a little bit of the cat hair on the purse already, so just be aware if you have pets, and the canvas might pick up some fur on it, but that's not too bothersome. But you might want to go for the leather version if that would bother you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful if you're looking to purchase the tote, you're unsure what size. This might have helped you figure out which size you want, or if you want to, yeah, pick up one of these purses too. So thank you guys for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video.